Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. So I will put this one go to the right. Next, we divide both sides by x squared plus 1 and y minus 1. We put the x go to the right. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. So the integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of y minus 1. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of x squared plus 1, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.